Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to use the Parakeet AI desktop app step by step. First, open the downloaded Parakeet AI desktop application on your computer. Once the app launches, you will see the login screen. Here, you can sign in using your email account or continue with your Google account, whichever option is easier for you. After entering your login details, complete the authentication or verification process if required. Once your account is verified successfully, click on the Open button to access the dashboard of the application. Now you will arrive on the main workspace where all the interview tools are available. Here you need to enter the company name where you are applying for a job. For example, you can type companies like Google, Microsoft, or any company of your choice. Next, enter the position or role you are applying for, such as assistant, software engineer, or any other job title. This helps the AI understand the interview context and generate more accurate responses. After entering all the details, your free 10-minute interview session will begin automatically. During this session, the AI will help you practice interview questions, generate suggested answers, and improve your confidence. You can use this time to test the features and understand how the Parakeet AI desktop app works before upgrading to any paid plan.